From the moment automobiles took to the roads, safety has been paramount. Early cars lacked even the most basic safety features we take for granted today. Volvo, a Swedish car manufacturer, recognized the inherent dangers of driving. The company made a bold commitment to safety from its very inception. This commitment has defined Volvo's brand identity for nearly a century. It has resulted in groundbreaking innovations that have saved countless lives. Engineers and designers at Volvo work tirelessly to develop and implement cutting-edge safety technologies. They rigorously test these technologies in real-world scenarios. This unwavering focus on protecting drivers, passengers, and pedestrians has cemented Volvo's reputation as a leader in automotive safety. Volvo understands that safety is not just about surviving a crash. It is about preventing accidents from happening in the first place. This proactive approach to safety is evident in Volvo's numerous active safety features. These features work to mitigate risks and avoid collisions altogether. In 1959, Volvo engineer Niels Bohlin introduced a revolutionary safety feature, the three-point safety belt. This simple yet ingenious invention would go on to save millions of lives. Before the three-point belt, drivers and passengers faced severe injuries or even death in the event of a collision. The existing two-point lap belts offered minimal protection. Bohlin's design, with its 3 points of contact, effectively distributed the force of impact across the body. This distribution reduced the risk of serious injury. Volvo, in an unprecedented move, made the patent for the three-point belt open and available to all car manufacturers. This selfless act underscored Volvo's commitment to saving lives. Some drivers initially resisted the change, finding the belts uncomfortable or restrictive. However, as evidence of the belt's life-saving potential mounted, public opinion shifted. Governments around the world began mandating seatbelt use in vehicles. Today, the three-point safety belt is a standard feature in every car. It serves as a constant reminder of Volvo's legacy of safety innovation. While Volvo's commitment to crash safety is unwavering, the company recognizes that the best way to survive a crash is to avoid it altogether. This philosophy has driven Volvo to develop a suite of active safety features designed to prevent accidents before they happen. These systems act as an extra pair of eyes and ears for the driver. One such feature is Volvo's Blind Spot Information System, or BLIS. This system uses radar sensors to detect vehicles lurking in the driver's blind spots. It alerts the driver with a visual warning in the side mirrors, helping to prevent lane change accidents. Another innovation is Volvo's Lane Keeping Aid. This system uses cameras to monitor the vehicle's position within lane markings. It gently steers the car back into its lane if it senses the driver is drifting. Volvo is investing heavily in vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-infrastructure communication technologies. These technologies allow vehicles to communicate with each other and with traffic infrastructure. By focusing on accident prevention, Volvo is moving towards its ambitious goal of zero fatalities or serious injuries in new Volvo cars by 2020. This bold vision demonstrates Volvo's dedication to creating a future where car accidents are a thing of the past. In the bustling urban environment, pedestrians, cyclists, and motorists constantly navigate a complex and often unpredictable landscape. Volvo recognized the increased risks associated with city driving. They developed City Safety, a groundbreaking system designed to mitigate or prevent low-speed collisions in urban areas. This innovative system uses a network of sensors, cameras, and radar to constantly monitor the vehicle's surroundings. City Safety operates at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. It can detect pedestrians, cyclists, and even large animals that may cross the vehicle's path. If the system senses an imminent collision and the driver fails to react, it automatically applies the brakes. This rapid intervention can mean the difference between a near miss and a potentially fatal accident. City Safety has proven particularly effective in mitigating rear-end collisions. These collisions are common in stop-and-go city traffic. The beauty of City Safety lies in its unobtrusiveness. The system operates silently in the background, only intervening when absolutely necessary. This seamless integration ensures that drivers are not distracted from their primary task of driving safely. Volvo's city safety is a testament to the company's commitment to protecting not only its occupants, but also the most vulnerable road users. Pedestrians and cyclists are among the most vulnerable road users. They have minimal protection in the event of a collision with a motor vehicle. Recognizing this vulnerability, Volvo has developed advanced pedestrian and cyclist detection systems. These systems are designed to prevent accidents and protect those outside the vehicle. They use a combination of cameras, radar, and sophisticated algorithms to identify pedestrians and cyclists in the vehicle's path. If the system detects a pedestrian or cyclist at risk, it alerts the driver with audible and visual warnings. If the driver fails to react in time, the system can automatically apply the brakes. This automatic emergency braking can significantly reduce the severity of a collision or even prevent it altogether. Volvo's commitment to pedestrian and cyclist safety extends beyond just urban environments. The company's pedestrian detection system can also detect pedestrians at night. It uses infrared cameras to identify pedestrians even in low-light conditions. By prioritizing the safety of all road users, not just those inside their vehicles, Volvo is setting a new standard for automotive safety. These advanced detection systems are a testament to Volvo's commitment to creating a future where cars and vulnerable road users can coexist safely. Volvo's commitment to safety extends far beyond the present. The company has set an ambitious goal to eliminate all fatalities and serious injuries in new Volvo cars by the year 2020. This vision, while ambitious, is not unrealistic. Volvo believes that through continuous innovation and a steadfast dedication to safety, this goal is attainable. To achieve this vision, Volvo is investing heavily in autonomous driving technology. Self-driving cars have the potential to significantly reduce accidents caused by human error. Factors like distraction, fatigue, and impaired driving are eliminated. Volvo's autonomous driving system, known as IntelliSafe Autopilot, is designed to assist the driver, not replace them. The system can handle certain driving tasks, such as maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles and staying within lane markings. This assistance allows the driver to remain alert and engaged. Volvo is also working to improve road infrastructure and promote responsible driving behavior. The company believes that by addressing all aspects of the automotive ecosystem, it can create a safer world for everyone. Volvo's vision for a future without collisions is a testament to the company's unwavering commitment to safety. At the heart of Volvo's safety philosophy lies a deep understanding of human physiology and behavior. Volvo recognizes that drivers are not infallible. They get tired, distracted, and sometimes make mistakes. Volvo designs its cars with these human limitations in mind. The goal is to create a driving environment that minimizes the risk of human error. Volvo's seats, for example, are designed to provide optimal support and comfort. This design helps to reduce driver fatigue on long journeys. The layout of the dashboard and controls is intuitive and ergonomic. It minimizes distractions and allows the driver to focus on the road. Volvo even conducts extensive research on driver behavior. They use this research to develop safety systems that anticipate and mitigate potential hazards. This human-centric approach to safety is evident in Volvo's driver assistance systems. By understanding the human element of driving, Volvo can design cars that not only protect occupants in the event of a crash, but also help to prevent accidents from happening in the first place. This holistic approach to safety sets Volvo apart as a leader in the automotive industry. While crash test ratings and safety accolades provide valuable insights into a vehicle's safety performance, the true measure of Volvo's commitment to safety lies in the countless lives saved. Behind every Volvo safety feature is a story of innovation, dedication, and a deep-seated desire to protect human life. These stories are often told not in corporate boardrooms, but in hospital rooms, living rooms, and at family gatherings. There are countless anecdotes of Volvo drivers and passengers walking away from serious accidents with minimal injuries. Accidents that, in another vehicle, might have had tragic consequences. These stories are a testament to the real-world effectiveness of Volvo's safety features. They serve as a constant reminder of the company's lasting impact on automotive safety. One such story involves a young family traveling on a rural highway. Their Volvo was involved in a head-on collision with another vehicle. While the impact was severe, the Volvo's robust safety cage, multiple airbags, and advanced restraint systems worked in unison to absorb and distribute the crash forces. Remarkably, the family emerged from the wreckage with only minor injuries. The emergency responders at the scene attributed the family's survival to the exceptional safety features of their Volvo. Each life saved serves as a testament to Volvo's legacy.